Version 9 has arrived, and I'm really excited for this week. I have a lot of good videos for you guys planned. This week is going to be version 9 week, so pretty much every day, maybe every day, pending. We'll have a video about version 9, what's new, go really in depth, but today I want to go over exactly what version 9 is bringing. So I haven't received it. The Model 3 hasn't received it. David's Model S hasn't received it. But Scott's car did. So we're actually jumping in the red car. I mean, kind of a fitting song. Okay. Oh wow, everything's changed. How do I turn that off? Got it. Okay, moment of truth. Here is version 9. Ugh! I don't know what any of that does. Anyway, let's go up here. Somebody really enjoys driving, and that would be Scott. So right off the bat, I can see that's new. I'm really excited about that. But let's go into the release notes. So one thing to remember, this is a 2.5 autopilot car. That being said, 2.0 and 1.0 and no autopilot will all get different things. We'll go over that in a different video, but here you go. So we can just kind of start by going over some things here. Version 9 introduces updates to the touchscreen and Tesla mobile app designed for an easier, more convenient experience. Made improvements to climate, navigation, media controls, and several safety enhancements. Okay, so combining auto steer and auto lane change. That's going to be super, super exciting. Blind spot warning. This is one thing I was most excited about, to be honest, because I know they can be able to see those cars right here. One improvement I would like to see on this is rather than just show it like right here, it would be nice if like this whole side, like from here to here, right here, would kind of like pulse red or something when a car was there. But I am very excited about this. You can see a lot more cars, which super, super nice. So dash cam feature. Currently, this is only on Autopilot 2.5 cars. Might it come to 2.0? I don't know. So some people have said 2.5 doesn't exist, and I couldn't disagree more. Autopilot 2.5 is different with a different computer and wiring redundancies that the computer can be added to 2.0, yes, but the wiring redundancies, I have been told no. Anyway, so dash cam footage. You can now record and store video footage captured by your car's narrow forward camera onto a USB flash drive. Note, you must manually add a base level folder to the flash drive called Tesla Cam. When properly configured, the dash cam icon will be displayed in the status bar. That's that guy right here, with a red dot indicating it's recording. Tap the icon to save video clips of the last 10 minutes or press and hold to pause recording. That's a really cool feature. I really think they can expand upon this a lot. So currently I use the Blackview 900 series dash cam and I absolutely love it. I have a 4K front camera and a 1080 rear camera, and it really provides some peace of mind, especially for when I'm not at the car, because with the memory card I use, I actually get like several days to a week's worth of footage. Whereas this, you can only do the last 10 minutes. So that is one thing to keep in mind. I believe when the car is off, this is not recording too. We'll have to play around with that. Okay, so mobile app. A really cool thing is you can start your navigation in your car by using the share button in your favorite phone apps. iOS users will need to enable sharing to your vehicle. You can also allow your passengers to quickly control the media, play, pause, previous, skip, and cycle through your media favorites. You can disable this by going into a setting in the media settings though. But that's kind of nice in case you're driving with your kids and they are kind of controlling the audio and you have the audio set to the rear seats. It makes sense that they're the ones controlling it. Whenever there's a software update available for car, you can conveniently update it from your phone. No longer will I have to run out in the middle of the night. A notification will be sent to other drivers of the car and they'll have a few minutes to cancel the update from their app in case you're sharing it with like your spouse or friends or anything like that. So application launcher, located at the bottom of your touchscreen, is a new application launcher that brings all of your apps together in one place. You can also access your last used app by swiping up on the application launcher icon. A lot to come on this. I know I've been hearing a lot of negative things about this because there's certain things you can't do that we used to be able to do. So climate control's been redesigned to be more compact, easier to use. Tapping the power will open your climate menu and turn your climate on. You can turn climate off from this menu or by pressing and holding the climate button on the bottom bar. So this is a lot more like Model 3. And cold weather. All the controls for cold weather have been moved to one place as part of the climate. Touch the fan icon to open the climate menu, then tap on the heating icon to access controls for all seat heaters, steering wheel heater, and wiper heater. Navigation. So navigation on your touchscreen now provides more information about upcoming turns, including highway exit information when applicable. Tap or pull down on the turn-by-turn list to see additional details in the full trip. Navigation settings, including voice guidance volume, can be quickly accessed by tapping on the settings icon directly from the turn list. The use of HOV lanes, so to improve navigation's ability to provide relevant instructions, you can now select whether or not your car is eligible for HOV lanes. That's really cool. That means the cameras are able to tell what's HOV and what's not. FYI, we did get these new navigation maps on all the cars. We found it to be about a 5.2 gigabit download. Traffic view has been restyled to further highlight problematic areas. Roads experiencing slower speeds or delays will be emphasized with red and yellow outlines. Be curious to see how that's varied. The media player now allows for 3 different views. The mini player with simple controls for more space for viewing your map. Recent and favorites with your favorites and listening history. And browse for discovering something new. You can easily hide or show the media player by dragging the window up or down. Your favorites and recent listings history in the media player have also been combined into one list for easy viewing. Swipe to see more of your favorites. To switch sources, tap on the desired icon at the bottom of the media player. So they now have direct tune. So you can just type in whatever FM selection you would like and it will start playing. DJ commentary if you want to include music news on streaming stations has also moved a little bit. Comment down below and let me know if you guys use the DJ commentary. Car controls has been reorganized. It actually looks a lot more like the Model 3 now. In case you guys haven't noticed, this is kind of a theme, kind of making it more like Model 3. Quick control, so you can have quick access to the most commonly used. Obstacle aware acceleration. So this is interesting. Acceleration is automatically limited if an obstacle is detected in the path of your vehicle while traveling at low speeds. This is a really great feature because in the past there have been several news articles about people parking, accidentally hitting the accelerator rather than the brake, and flying through their garage, which, to be honest, they should be paying more attention or use creep. That's why I use creep. But this will help avoid stuff like that. So that is awesome to see. And the last thing on here is the Tesla Atari. Play Atari games in your Tesla. That'll be great for supercharging. When your car is in park, tap the Tesla T at the top center of the touchscreen, then tap the Atari logo on your Easter egg tray. To play, select a game from the menu, enter some quarters, and press start. Alternatively, play games in full screen mode by tapping the full button. Depending on the game, you may need your steering wheel controls to play. Triple tap the display to exit full screen mode. That's really, I'm so excited for this. So excited. But yeah, this update brings so many changes to Model S and X. I would almost want to say this is even bigger than 8.0, especially once we can get the drive on navigation. We saw a lot of that in a couple of the beta videos that we saw online, but that did not make it into this update. They are still tweaking that. So yeah, that's basically the update, which can't wait. I'm so excited to try this out. I actually haven't tried anything out yet. I do plan on releasing a video pretty much every day this week going much more in depth on one of these topics, such as the blind spot warning stuff, what shows up now on the instrument cluster, the Tesla Atari games, the dashcam. We'll have more in-depth videos on every single one of those. Just wanted to put this out there so you guys can see what you can expect when you get this. Like I said though, Autopilot 2.0 and 1.0 and no Autopilot cars will get something different. It might not be exactly like this because I know dashcam features only in Tesla Autopilot 2.5 cars right now so far. So definitely subscribe so that you can be notified when all those extra videos go up of everything more in detail. As always though, if you're looking for a Tesla, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. And if you're looking for a new or inventory Model S or X, or even a performance Model 3, feel free to use our referral code as listed down below and at the top of our website. Using it will actually get you a $100 supercharging credit, which certainly helps out for any kind of road trips. And if you do use it, send us an email through the website too, so that I have your contact info. So when we take delivery of our next gen Roadsters, we can invite you guys out, do test rides, test drives, have a big old party, because really without your support, none of this would be possible, and we can't thank you guys enough. As always, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Go and click here to subscribe, here for some other ones. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
All I need is you turn nouns into verbs, where did love go?